Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's mobility limitations. He's struggling with activities of daily living, and I believe he could benefit from some assistive devices.
That's a good point, Mihira. What specific challenges is he facing?
He has difficulty getting in and out of bed, transferring to a wheelchair, and using the bathroom independently.
Based on his limitations, we might consider a motorized wheelchair with a tilt and recline function. This would provide him with greater independence and comfort.
That's a great suggestion. We should also evaluate his need for a walker or a cane to assist with ambulation.
Additionally, Mihira, we might explore the possibility of installing grab bars in his home to improve safety and accessibility.
That's an excellent idea. We can work with a home health aide to assess his home environment and recommend appropriate modifications.
That's reassuring to hear, Mihira. Based on what you've told me, it sounds very much like you've got a gastrointestinal upset, possibly what we commonly call food poisoning, especially since you mentioned eating out recently. To figure out exactly what's causing this, and to make sure we give you the most appropriate treatment, the doctor will want to do a few tests. First, we'll begin by checking your vital signs, things like your blood pressure, heart rate, temperature, and breathing, just to get an initial assessment of your current condition. Following that, they'll likely order some blood tests to check for signs of infection and to assess your hydration levels. We might also need a urine test for similar reasons. Given your symptoms, particularly the diarrhea, a stool sample will be very important to identify any specific bacteria or viruses that might be responsible. If your symptoms are very severe, or if they persist or worsen significantly, the doctor might consider imaging like an X-ray or an ultrasound, but that would be a decision made after their initial examination. Do you have any questions or concerns about any of those tests or anything else we've discussed so far?